Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Again, a lot of changes going on with that USI Tech experience, but again, we started off as investors to make a profit, and we're always looking for good opportunities. When those opportunities are no longer valuable or useful, or we're just can't use them, it's time to move on. So taking a look here at coinmarketcap.com, we're seeing that Bitcoin is up over 17,000, 13% increase today. Also, we saw Litecoin was up. So a lot of the altcoins are down today. Maybe they call it a flight to quality, moving money, taking profits, some of these extreme profits that people have uh, accumulated in the altcoin market and moving those over to the the old favorites, Bitcoin and Litecoin. So also you see here some of these altcoins falling 10x, down 22% right now. There's an issue with Visa Pay not accepting, basically their program not working with something with Visa. So that's definitely something to consider. But really, if you are an altcoin investor, today you should be on this page looking at these undervalued. If it's on this list in all red today and you liked it a week ago when it was all green, today is an opportunity to get involved. The reason for this video, though, is a company called Cindicator. The token is CND. They do trade on Binance, fairly limited circulating supply. And if you look at just a quick glance at the chart, it has the chart of pretty much every altcoin with very little activity and then a recent just spike to the moon in most of these. So it's down about 18%. I took a position in Cindicator on yesterday, and actually it's down from my initial purchase, so I believe in this project. I actually like it a lot. So I will surely be doubling down and lowering my cost average with some purchases of Cindicator later on today. So without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about why I like Cindicator and why I made the investment and why you should maybe look into it for your portfolio as well. Okay. I've never been a fan of heights. I'm a former Marine, and part of the process of earning the title is to overcome or deal with extreme heights. So climbing the stairway to heaven at MCRD, rappelling down 100-foot overhangs, and the dreaded high dive for swim qual. You learn to overcome your fears and perform your duties even under stress. In some of my previous posts, I talked about two altcoins that are soaring to kick off 2018. Tron, which TRX, and Funfair, FUN. So check my blog and see what I posted about those two. They're both charging today, and I wish I could say that I was a genius in selecting them. Both are solid projects with excellent management, and I do see them both providing value to the marketplace in 2018. But a 50 to 100% daily gain, that's just not sustainable, right? So those, again, who've kept up with my blog in the past know that I'm also a supporter of XRP, Ripple, and I've made a very nice profit trading the volatility of XRP. But just looking back at my records, it shows that I might have come out ahead if I just had bought and held without my, daily moves. So the thing, though, on the other side of that is that my training, my dogma, requires that you must take some profits when you reach a triple digit return, especially in a week. You just have to. Nothing goes straight up forever. So I took some profits from my Tron and Funfair positions, and I redirected them to a new home, a Cindicator and CND, and that's what we're speaking on today. So Cindicator, hybrid intelligence for effective asset management. So I created a profile on their website, and I was immediately presented with some difficult questions, so financial market questions that take some serious consideration to answer. They're not just true false type things. The topics range from the future price of the euro versus the dollar to what the price of altcoin NEM will be next week. Many of the questions, again, take research or serious knowledge of the financial markets. You're then given a score based on the accuracy of your forecasts. Users with higher scores earn rewards in the form of platform tokens and other prizes. So that's pretty cool. You're rewarded. We always like receiving rewards. And the next part of the project, it has to deal with the information that is gathered by the responses of the users. Now they have something that they call the Cindicator bot 1.0. Now it is a system of predictive analytics, data, and market indicators powered by hybrid intelligence to support traditional and crypto financial market analysis. A diverse group of financial analysts, that's me and you, make their forecasts through the Cindicator platform, answering various financial questions and predicting event outcomes. The questions are divided into several sections and cover both crypto and traditional financial markets. So, again, the Cindicator bot predicts future market events by compiling the data received from the answers of the users. Another twist in the business plan allows users that provided the most correct forecast not only get the rewards for being right, but also to participate in profits that are generated from the Cindicator bot. So another nice incentive, another financial reward. So anyone has the access or the ability to access the Cindicator bot for information. Now, again, that information comes at a cost, as most things do, and the amount of Cindicator tokens that you own will determine what information you have access to. So they put it into 3 different tiers. There's a beginner, a trader, and an expert level. To be a beginner, you need to possess 5,000 CND, which are the Cindicator tokens, and you would get access to things like the community choice indicators, events probability indicators for crypto and also traditional financial markets. And then there's an expert level, which you would need to possess 700,000 CND, and that basically gives you access to every report that the Cindicator bot 1.0 that releases. So it gives you some forecasting information to hopefully help you make better trades and make more money. So that's pretty excellent in itself, but they took it one step further. And yes, they did. Cryptometer bot 2.0. And this is no BS. To have access to the gems this system delivers, one must possess 1 million CND in their account. Now, if you meet this VIP standard, you will have access to all the wonderful things that the Cryptometer bot 2.0 can do. It has the ability to measure prices across multiple exchanges, to anticipate and detect early signs of cryptocurrency market volatility, can also provide you with real-time price movements on the crypto assets, in your portfolio. And who in the world of crypto wouldn't want a tool like this? So again, it's a VIP type situation. You need to have 1 million CND in order to get access to the Cryptometer bot 2.0. So amazing. The platform is live. You can go and start experiencing it for yourself. I still have a few more functionality questions. I haven't located a wallet on the site, but I believe there may be an app where you store your CND tokens to get access to their bots and to the future forecasting information and reports that they provide. Also, would need to find out more on the payouts that are being offered if you are a star forecaster and if you are providing accurate answers into the system. Also, would there be a price for access drop as the value of the CND rises? So right now, again, it's only trading below a quarter when it's trading at $25, well, you still need to have 1 million CND to, access the VIP services. So that's something that I'm still trying to figure out. And if you know, please drop a comment, because trying to figure that out. And but in the meantime, I've made a few picks through my profile, so we'll see if I am VIP worthy. And right now, you can, if it sounds like something that you're, always do your own research, of course, of course, of course. Cindicator is now listed on Binance. Again, I made a purchase, took a position at 18 cents a token, which is high looking at it today, and especially where it's come over the last month. I had a splash of FOMO, but the more I've read about the platform, the more that I've been using it, I believe that 18 cents a token might be a steal, especially in a year from today. There are going to be opportunities to trade a Cindicator on the short term. Definitely see some volatility taking place, but I believe this is a token that you might buy just to utilize the services of the bots. So only time will tell. I again have established a position for myself, and we'll see what the future holds. I will also be utilizing the system as a forecaster, attempting to see what the benefits of being a forecaster are. So do an update, and definitely will update my success or lack thereof. And again, we'll see the way the cryptocurrency market has been working. Maybe a week from today, I'll be looking for a place to put my 100% profits that I received from Cindicator. Either way, it's something that I have some confidence in. So, like on a dip like today, I have the confidence to go ahead and at least dollar cost average, and to hold on to see what's going to happen out into March and into June, which truly isn't that far away. So that's my Cindicator review. Again, this is Tyrone Ennis. I appreciate you taking a moment out of your day to sit, listen, and chat some crypto with me. Please leave any comments that you have in the comment box. Subscribe, share. You know the drill. If you like it, you'll share it.